This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025. I will be trading PLTR, ticker PLTR, on the 1 minute chart. One stock, one time frame, one trade, only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The green line is the low of yesterday. And this is just a little channel that I drew. And this is the red line, is the high of yesterday. If this bar closes red here, breaking this trend line, I'm going bearish. All right, so let's recap so I can explain the reasons why I went bearish. So it put this first pivot here and topping tail. So I put this trend line here, which is form a wedge here. I have this line over here like this, but I'm used so much because I don't have to necessarily put here to map, so I can see it's a wedge forming here in the top. So, and it put like a sandwich here, so bullish, bearish, and bearish, breaking this wedge here. And I enter here at 841. The target hit at 859. So it's like at 12. I'm horrible in math, so I don't know, like 20 minutes. I don't know. I have to do the math to see how long I was in, because now I can think about it. So, but that was the reason I got in the trade bearish, because of this pattern here. It gave me this confirmation here, not necessarily just breaking it. The breaking is the confirmation, because most of the time I enter when the break, but because put the sandwich here and broke bearish the pattern, and also has a space to go to this area over here as well. So, and I believe it's gonna come to retest the low of yesterday. So I was bearish for this reason as well, because this bar didn't retest this area, because it jumped here. If this bar touch here, came all the way here and put this pattern, I will be a little hesitate, because it's already retest the high. This could just be a fake breakout and go higher. But since it didn't, and I thought that my bias was bearish for this reason, and the pattern is my confirmation to go bearish, so it gives me an entry. So that's the reason. So this is the trade for today. The trade worked, but what matters most is that the process worked. I knew my entry and I knew my stop, and I accept the outcome before I click the button. This is very important. So winning days don't change the plan, they just confirm this plan. Rules, same approach, and for the next time. So you have to know and accept the consequences, the outcome before you enter in the trade. You have to know your target, the area for your target. You have to know your stop, and you have to have an idea where you're gonna enter, where is gonna be your entry before anything happens. Because before you put your entry, you accept your loss. You accept how much you're gonna lose. It's great when it works, but at the moment you put your entry, you accept that that money is gone. So that's it. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching.